make your test fail, because if your tests have not failed, you cannot know if in reality when they do fail, when something goes wrong, whether they'll be of any use. Too many tests that I see, whether at the unit test or integration test or acceptance test, they're basically useless, because if they break, they don't tell you what went wrong. Even the names of them often, if we have test deposit or test process or test this, test that, they're not very useful. They don't tell you what we're actually testing, what outcome we're expecting. Your tests should inform and document as well as test. So if your test doesn't tell you what your feature does, what it should do, what you're expecting, and then if it fails, it should tell you what went wrong in very clear and uncertain terms and what you should do about it, then your test is a waste of space. You might as well just delete it. So before you run any of your tests, before you push your test to production, before you put your test on your Git repository, on your build server, when the first time you get a test passing, make it fail and see if from the results, from the output, from the error message, whether you could actually do something with that output, whether you could use that to make an informed decision about what went wrong. Really, really important to remember that your tests document your application at so many levels. But if you do them wrong, they'll document them at no levels at all and be relatively useless. That's my tidbit for today. Thanks for listening, folks.